So here is our NOS Kingpin rebuild kit. Going to be getting these babies ready to go, putting them in. I do need to deburr them. Let me turn the light on. I do need to deburr them on the inside before we bush them. And then we'll be set. So I gotta deburr it, gotta sleeve them. Then I can put them together in our arms that are painted. And the fourth one's over there drying. Alright, we're gonna carefully press in our bushings. Our bronze bushings. Right there. Got a little bit of grease on them, as you can see. Just gonna press it in on the vise. And away we go. There is one bronze bushing pressed into our Kingpin knuckles. God, that looks good. In and done. Clean it up. Maybe do a little deburr here on the top. Done deal. Check out that cool Fiat Ridge I picked up for Wick. Little yard sailing find. Wick and Allie gonna love that. One down, 3 to go. Okay, so this shows the proper location of the tab on our bushed assembly here. So they'll basically go in the arm like this. I gotta put the rubber seals on, but that basically shows you how they go. So the key to starting your self-tapping ends here is get them started on the thread both sides just a little bit and then just work those babies in. Not hard. Nice. Solid even. Got our arms all assembled now. I just need to tighten up our grease fittings. Ooh, God, I'm allergic to myself. Anyway. Bam, ready to go on the subframe. Ooh, diamond clear. I'm gonna hit these with diamond clear. Once I get the grease zerks in, get this tightened up, and I gotta hone. I'll gently ream our bushings. Fit. Coming along.